All right, guys, so the time is almost here. iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 will be officially announced tomorrow on Monday, June 8th at WWDC. And I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to this next major operating system. We're expecting major advancements to Siri, a new Siri UI. We're also expecting major updates to Liquid Glass, and I mean, so much more. And you may be enticed to update and install the beta on your iPhone. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare to install iOS 27 tomorrow on June 8th after the announcements at WWDC. Now, keep in mind, the first thing you want to always note is that this will be beta 1 for Apple's next major operating system. And with that being said, I wouldn't recommend you install this on your primary device, although I know a lot of you guys will. And if you want to venture into trying this, here's the first thing you're going to want to do. So head on over into settings on your iPhone, and then you want to go into general, head on over into the about section, and you want to make sure that you have at least, I would say, 25 gigabytes available on your physical device's storage in order to install iOS 27. Now, we don't know the exact size of the operating system, but I would say 25 gigabytes available here under the available section will be the safe zone to be able to install a first generation or first beta for a next major operating system, again, available tomorrow, iOS 27. So that's the first thing you want to do. And of course, if you don't have at least 25 gigs, I would recommend you start clearing up some storage on your device. I think most users are safe at this point. Again, just want to make sure you have at least 25 gigabytes available. The second thing, and I think this is one that most users overlook, make sure that you back up your data. This is crucial. This is very important. As I mentioned, iOS 27 will be beta 1. Bad things could happen. Your iPhone could either freeze halfway through the update, your data could crash or disappear from your iPhone, so you want to make sure that you have a second option for backup. So head on over into settings, head on over into your account, and then click on the iCloud options right here. Once you click into iCloud, tonight you want to make sure that you enable this option right here, backup. So you want to back up your data to iCloud, and this will save all of your data as a backup on iCloud. So if something does go wrong, which it could, keep in mind that's definitely a possibility, then you have a second option to back up from your iCloud data. Now you want to go backwards after you enable this option right here, and then you want to click onto your apps right here, and then right here you'll select the apps that you want to back up to iCloud. You have all these toggles here. You want to turn on the one that you want, and of course this will save all that data to iCloud, giving you that extra peace of mind in case something does go wrong throughout the first beta installation tomorrow for iOS 27. Now the third thing is, I always recommend this one, is head on over to the App Store and download the Apple Developer application. This application here will allow you to stay up to date with the latest announcements and the official release of iOS 27 Developer Beta 1. And of course, you'll have all your videos and sessions here that you can follow through the event tomorrow. This is crucial. I think this is a great application to have during this time for the WWDC 2026. Just make sure you download the Developer Beta. It is completely free. And again, you can just keep track of the events, the times, and the announcements and all that good stuff. Now, last but not least, you want to make sure that you register your device. So in the video description down below, there'll be a link available for you guys. It is the link to Apple's developer program. This is Apple's website to register your device to install betas on an iPhone. So you want to make sure that you click the links, open it within Safari. Once you do, it looks like this. Obviously, it's featuring iOS 26 right now, but tomorrow it will feature iOS 27. You want to scroll down and then click on sign up right here. If you've never signed up for betas, click on sign up. It's going to ask you to log into your device with your Apple account. Make sure that you use the same email associated to your Apple ID. So make sure that your Apple ID email matches the registration email on this website. So once you click sign up, answer the questions, register your device, it'll bring you here to select which operating system you want to give a try. Obviously, you have iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS, and so forth. Make sure you select iOS from the list, just like so. Scroll down and then click on enroll your iOS device right here. And then once you open this section, it'll bring you to some of the steps. You want to make sure that you back up your device, and then you can turn on the betas by clicking on this blue button right here. Once you click it, it'll bring you to settings, and it'll bring you to the beta update section right here. Keep in mind that iOS 27 will be available tomorrow as a third option. Now, the beta will most likely become available an hour or two after the event has concluded. So make sure that if you watch the event, about an hour later, you jump back into settings on your iPhone, head on over into general, software updates, and click on beta updates, and make sure iOS 27 will be selected here. Go back, refresh, and you should be able to install iOS 27 Developer Beta 1. Again, the beta is usually available an hour or two after the event. I'll keep you guys updated on social media. You can follow me there as well. And that is it. That about brings it into this video. Hope you guys found this information helpful. Again, super excited. Tomorrow, iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 on Monday, June 8th. Stay tuned here to the channel. Obviously, I'll have the full coverage so that you can learn all about iOS 27. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.